today I'm working on a 2009 Volkswagen Passat. This is the instruction on how the hitch goes up. Alright, so as you can see, the exhaust bracket on this side goes into this 2-axis hole. So it's the exhaust bracket goes, the hitch goes above it, and then this goes over. And then I have to remove the underbody panel in here. This is it. This is what the hitch looks like. Part number 11096. So the 2 screws that held in the exhaust brackets with those 2 small guys, they're being replaced by these guys right here. It's way longer because it has to go through this and this, and then it goes up on this side. So this side is basically done, and I have to put it also holds the hitch shield in place. I'm just gonna take out the panel right here and see what it looks like. So here it is, underbody panel, just removed it. This is what it looks like. This thing had 5 screws holding it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All removed. So this is the access hole where the fish wire goes, and it does require drilling. So that's one of the access holes all the way up there. So as you can see, it has to be fish wired from here to here. Since it wasn't long enough, I had to connect a next fish wire to it in order to fish it through. So I put these 2 guys in, fish it all the way through here, and pull it through here. And this guy, I'm gonna have to use a drill, line this hitch up, put it up, and then drill a hole somewhere here. So this is what it looks like when I fish it through. So I use my trusty friend for this access hole. There. I'm gonna use this guy to open it up a little bit more. And then after using this, I'm gonna use this Christmas tree to open the hole up a little bit more. Almost done. So right here, as you can see, I did not put it up all the way. The hitch is up on this side. On this side, I have my little trusty friend. This thing is almost done.